The world of finance is rapidly changing. With each passing day, new technologies are emerging that reshape how we understand and interact with financial markets. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing how we analyze markets and make trading decisions. This technology processes vast amounts of data at lightning speed, providing insights that were previously unimaginable. At the forefront of this revolution is GPT, a powerful language model capable of generating human-quality text. This model can interpret complex data and provide coherent, actionable insights. Expert trader, but ChatGPT's true power lies in its ability to understand and respond to our instructions known as prompts. These prompts are the key to unlocking its full potential. Effective prompts are the key to unlocking ChatGPT's potential for trading. They act as the bridge between human intuition and machine precision. By crafting precise and strategic prompts, we can guide ChatGPT to generate valuable insights, identify trading opportunities, and even develop complete trading strategies. This process requires a deep understanding of both the market and the capabilities of the AI. Expert trader. Think of prompts as the steering wheel of a car. The better we steer, the better the outcome. Just as a skilled driver navigates through traffic, a well-crafted prompt can navigate through market complexities. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the art of prompt engineering for trading. We'll break down the components of an effective prompt and show you how to tailor them to your specific needs. We'll explore different prompting techniques and illustrate how to use them to generate specific trading strategies. From simple queries to complex scenarios, you'll learn how to harness the full power of ChatGPT. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey, understanding the power of prompts will give you a significant edge in today's AI-driven markets. This knowledge can transform your approach to trading, making it more efficient and effective. Expert trader. This essay will equip you with the knowledge and tools to harness the power of ChatGPT for your trading endeavors. You'll gain insights into how to craft prompts that yield the best results. Let's begin our journey into the fascinating world of AI-powered trading strategies. Together, we'll explore how to leverage this cutting-edge technology to stay ahead in the competitive world of trading. To effectively utilize ChatGPT for trading, we need to understand the art of prompt engineering. It's like speaking ChatGPT's language. Clear, concise prompts are crucial. AI specialist. There are several powerful prompting techniques to master. Sequence prompting. This involves feeding ChatGPT a series of related prompts building upon previous responses. It mimics a conversation, allowing for more nuanced and insightful outputs. Few-shot learning. We provide ChatGPT with a few examples of the desired output. This helps the model understand the task and generate similar, accurate responses. AI specialist role-playing. We assign ChatGPT a specific role like a financial analyst or day trader. This helps focus the model's responses and align them with our objectives. By mastering these techniques, we can transform ChatGPT from a powerful language model into a personalized trading assistant. The following sections will showcase practical examples of these techniques applied to popular trading strategies. Moving averages are a cornerstone of technical analysis. They smooth out price fluctuations, revealing trends and potential trading signals. Let's see how to use ChatGPT to generate moving average crossover strategies. Young trader, prompt example. You are a quantitative analyst specializing in moving average crossover strategies. Develop a trading strategy for Apple stock, AAPL, using a 50-day and 200-day simple moving average. Provide clear entry and exit rules. This prompt utilizes role-playing and clearly defines the desired outcome. A trading strategy based on specific parameters. ChatGPT might respond with a strategy like this. Young trader, ChatGPT output, AAPL moving average crossover strategy entry. Buy AAPL when the 50-day SMA crosses above the 200-day SMA. Exit, sell AAPL when the 50-day SMA crosses below the 200-day SMA. Note, this is a basic example. Consider adding stop-loss orders and incorporating other indicators for risk management and confirmation. This example demonstrates how a well-crafted prompt can generate a basic yet functional trading strategy. Remember to refine and backtest any strategy generated by ChatGPT before implementing it in live trading. Section 4. Decoding MACD signals, prompting for profit. In this section, we will delve into the intricacies of the MACD indicator and how it can be leveraged for profitable trading strategies. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is another popular technical indicator. It is widely used by traders to understand the momentum and potential direction of a stock. It helps identify momentum shifts and potential buy or sell signals. By analyzing the convergence and divergence of moving averages, traders can make more informed decisions.
Let's use few-shot learning to prompt ChatGPT for a MACD strategy. Few-shot learning allows the AI to understand and generate strategies with minimal examples. Here's an example. Prompt. Here are some examples of MACD trading signals. Buy MACD line crosses above the signal line. This indicates a potential upward momentum. Sell MACD line crosses below the signal line. This suggests a potential downward momentum. Now, develop a MACD strategy for Tesla stock, TSLA, using a 12-26-9 configuration. This configuration is commonly used and provides a balanced view of short-term and long-term trends. Include entry, exit, and stop-loss rules. These rules are essential for managing risk and maximizing potential profits.
By providing examples, we guide ChatGPT's understanding of MACD signals. This helps the model generate more accurate and relevant strategies. The model can then apply this knowledge to generate a Tesla-specific strategy. This tailored approach can enhance the effectiveness of the trading strategy.
And here's an example output from ChatGPT. TSLA MACD strategy, 12-26-9, entry, buy TSLA when the MACD line crosses above the signal line. This entry point is crucial for capturing upward momentum. Exit, sell TSLA when the MACD line crosses below the signal line. This exit point helps in locking in profits and minimizing losses. Stop loss. Place a stop-loss order 2% below the entry price for long positions and 2% above the entry price for short positions. This risk management technique is vital for protecting your capital.
This example illustrates how few-shot learning can produce more specific and actionable trading strategies. By leveraging AI, traders can develop sophisticated strategies with minimal input. But remember, backtesting and refining these strategies is crucial before live trading. This ensures that the strategies are robust and can perform well under different market conditions. Section 5. Identifying breakouts. ChatGPT as your market oracle. In this section, we will delve into how ChatGPT can be utilized to identify potential breakout opportunities in the stock market, providing a strategic edge for traders. Breakout strategies involve identifying when a stock's price breaks above or below a defined resistance or support level, signaling a potential significant price move. These moves can often lead to substantial gains if identified correctly and timely.
Let's use sequence prompting to guide ChatGPT in creating a breakout strategy. This method involves a series of structured prompts that help ChatGPT understand and define the key elements of a breakout strategy. First, we start with prompt 1. Define resistance and support levels in technical analysis. These are fundamental concepts that form the basis of many trading strategies.
And ChatGPT responds, resistance is a price level above which an asset has difficulty rising. This level acts as a ceiling, preventing the price from moving higher. Support is a price level below which an asset has difficulty falling. This level acts as a floor, preventing the price from moving lower.
Next, we use prompt 2. How can we identify potential breakouts in a stock's price chart? This is crucial for spotting opportunities before they fully materialize.
ChatGPT replies, look for price consolidation near resistance or support, followed by a decisive break above or below these levels with increased volume. This combination often indicates a strong move is imminent.
Finally, prompt 3. Develop a breakout strategy for Amazon stock, AMZN, using daily price data and considering volume. This prompt helps in creating a specific, actionable strategy for a well-known stock.
And ChatGPT provides an example output, AMZN breakout strategy entry buy AMZN when the price closes above the previous day's high on above-average volume. This entry point is designed to capture the initial momentum of the breakout. Exit, sell AMZN when the price closes below the previous day's low on above-average volume. This exit strategy helps in locking in profits and minimizing losses.
Through this sequence of prompts, we've guided ChatGPT to define key concepts and ultimately generate a breakout strategy. This structured approach ensures that all critical aspects are covered. This iterative approach allows for a more focused and comprehensive output. By refining each step, we can develop a robust strategy that can be applied to various stocks and market conditions, enhancing our trading decisions.